Hi everybody, today I will show you how to calculate average in Google Sheets. So I've got this spreadsheet here with a list of earnings. If I'd want to do the average for each person, I will have two ways to do that. So the first way is selecting the cells that I want to do the average for and clicking on the function option and clicking on average. Now, it will instantly put an average section where I will have to simply hit enter. Now, the average for the cell selected will instantly be shown here. I can now simply select this blue dot at the bottom, scroll down, and the average for all the cells will be shown. Now, another way to do this is simply selecting the cell where I want to do the calculation, that is the average. Now type in average, open a bracket, select the first cell from which you want to start calculating the average, place a colon, type in the name for the last cell that you want to do the average for. After selecting the range for the average, hit enter, and average for those specific cells will instantly be done. Just the same way, you can select the bar handle, scroll down, and average for all these will be instantly done. So, these were the two ways through which you can calculate average in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.